find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time, 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 time. What makes it worth the while.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. And I would absolutely love it if you consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So today I am back with a pink and girly Christmas haul, and I'm so excited to share with you all the cute items that I was able to find. I am so excited because for Halloween I waited till the last minute and I really wasn't able to find many cute items, but this time I did some early Christmas decor shopping and I was able to find lots of cute stuff. So hopefully if you have these stores around your area, you'll still be able to find them, because I know Christmas is still a few weeks ahead, but like I said, I really wanted to do some early Christmas decor shopping. So let me go ahead and get started with the first items, and these here are from Starbucks, and you guys, I am so excited and so thrilled that they came out with a bunch of pink cups for the holidays. I was like, what? Of course I had to get some stuff, and I did have to go there twice because they're only allowing a few items at a time, so I had to go there twice. But anyway, let me show you the first thing that I got. So I got this beautiful pink cup here for my hot drinks like coffee or tea. It's gorgeous and I love this color. It's like this beautiful shade of pink. It does have like the little Starbucks logo. I also got this gorgeous tumbler from Starbucks, and look how beautiful this is. Like, I am like loving this so much. It has the Starbucks logo right here and it's pretty big. This one here also came in like silver, but of course I had to get the pink. It's gorgeous. So I also got a mug. I love coffee. Like, I have to have my cup of coffee every single day, and when I saw that they had a pink Starbucks mug, I had to get it. It's beautiful. It also has this kind of like iridescent color, and it says like Starbucks here on the side, but it's cute and it's pink, so definitely has to be in my collection. So the last thing I got from Starbucks are some ornaments, and I love these so much. These are like light pink with a little white cap, and it has the Starbucks logo right there. They are absolutely gorgeous. Like, I can't even believe that these are pink. So the next thing I got is from HomeSense. I picked up some adorable ornaments for my tree. And these are these adorable white fluffy cats. And they almost look like they're dancing. They have like feathers on them, little rhinestone necklaces. And these two here have crowns. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I thought these were like the most adorable thing ever. They are just so darling. I had to get them to add to my Christmas tree. So also from HomeSense, I picked up a Christmas tree. I actually got two, and these are for decor. So I ended up getting this pink one right here. It has like pink with a little bit of gold on the tips. And this one here actually lights up. So when you turn it on, it looks like this. And this one here, I probably plan on putting it in either like my office space or somewhere in my bedroom. But I thought this was so adorable. I also got another Christmas tree, and this one here is kind of just like a decor. It has like rope tied around it with a gold star, and it's very glittery, but it's absolutely stunning. This one is definitely going to go in my vanity to go with my other stuff that I got. You guys, I'm like loving all the pink. So the next thing I got are some nutcrackers, and I have 4 of them. I got them each at different stores. So this one here, I got it from a store that is called Christmas Tree Shops, and they had this adorable little nutcracker. It's super cute. It's pink with blue, and it's holding this like candy cane. I thought this was like the most adorable thing ever. So this one here I got from Hobby Lobby, and I thought this was so adorable. It has like blonde long hair. It's holding a shopping bag with a present and a dog, and she's dressed in pink. I was like, this is like so me. It has to go in my bedroom. And I also got another nutcracker. This one here, I think I got this one at HomeGoods. It's pink, it has lace, and she's holding the tiniest little nutcracker in her hand. But I fell in love with this the moment I saw it. I thought it was like super cute, and it's gonna look amazing in my vanity. So this next nutcracker, I actually saw it on my friend's post on Instagram, and I was like, girl, where did you find that nutcracker? I need to go get it. So she got it at Target, and I went ahead and ordered it and picked it up that same day. But I am like loving this nutcracker so much. It's like the perfect ornament for my bedroom, and it says 2020 on the bottom. He's all pink and he has a white cape. But I thought this was like the most adorable thing ever. So from Hobby Lobby, I got 2 of these strands with pom-poms in them. I thought these were like so pretty, and they're like the perfect blush pink color. I don't know where I'm gonna hang these up yet. I literally got them because they're pink and they're just so pretty. So I got 2 just in case. I'm still deciding where to put them, but they were very inexpensive and they are just simply adorable. So I also have this beautiful white polar bear, and he's wearing a pink scarf. It's like a fluffy little scarf, but I thought this was the most adorable decor ever. I think this one is going to go in my living room once I put up my Christmas tree, but it's super cute, and it was only like $14, and I got this at the Christmas Tree Shops. So this other one, I totally forgot where I got it. I think I got it at HomeGoods. I'm not 100% sure, and I took the tag off, but it's this beautiful glitter white swan. It has like little rhinestones on the side and little feathers.
So that was it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and I'll see you all next time.